Welcome to Antelope Island. Alright, Luis, where are we going today?
We are going to the Antelope Island. It's an island with antelopes. Not really, it's just some roaming bison.
Nice.
And stuff like that.
It's our final full day.
Yeah, and then we're gonna go to First Watch for food. It's already almost 12 o'clock. These two woke up so late. Even though there's a 2-hour difference.
I need a rest today.
Brother, it's a 2-hour difference. These guys still woke up late.
Chill out, alright? On the way to First Watch.
What? The Starbucks over here.
All the water, by the way.
It used to be?
It's called Antelope Island. Now it's not much of an island.
It used to be water too.
Yeah.
It says when the bison stops what it is doing to look at you, back away. If the bison raises its tail slightly, it is aggravated, back away. If the tail is raised high, the bison is ready to charge.
So, moral of the story is, back away. Stay with the bison and back away. It's crazy how it's just like there's water here now and then dry land. Dry land. So what Lion King was? No water? Water. There's a bison in the water. You see the bison? You see the bison? You see the bison? Oh, they're jumping your camera? Oh no. He's doing good at camera. I'm gonna walk up there. No bugs in the sheet. That looks like a painting. That doesn't look real. It's just a bison's like out there on its own. Oh, I'm trying to zoom in. I'm so sorry. That bison over there. It's at my top, as much as I could go. Peace. The bison got back up, walking that way. Get to the top and do the Lion King from up there. That's a bee! That was like so nice to be up there and like see all of, at least a little bit of Antelope Island. We're gonna go drive over towards like the beach area and then walk around the beach line. Try to get close to a bison or in good distance of a bison, but we'll see. You like that?
Yes, it's very interesting. The nature of the rocks are different from what I'm used to see. It was like granite rock. You know, the plants are like look like rosemary and some type of herb. They don't like trees. They look like brush. They look like an herb.
Look at this beach with bison. And probably bison over there. Or that's rocks. No, that's bison over there. I don't know. But there's water out here. Extremely low water. We're going to try to go as far as we can and go see everything. I can't run fast! My pants almost fell. My pants almost fallen. As we're catching our breath, National Geographic style, there's stuff over there. There's 3 bisons over there. There's one very far away over there, we saw earlier. Which there's people over there by it.
Yeah.
I don't think we should go that close to it. How fast do you think they actually are?
Pretty fast. 35 miles per hour is my guess. Let's see.
Check that out. Check that real quick. Just in case we do have to run, I want to make sure that I can outrun them. Probably not though. Say that again?
35 to 40 miles per hour.
Yeah, I'm not outrunning that. I'm dead.
Capable of jumping 6-foot fences.
Yeah, they can jump my height. Nope. Heck no.
And they're highly agile animals.
I am out of the question. I will be dead.
You should try a horse use.
You would do that. Yeah, it's water right there. Oh my god. The campgrounds over here. I nearly died of dehydration. Being stupid. But we're good. We're good, man. My lips are very red because I'm drinking Gatorade. Look at Luis in his natural habitat.
Lucas said, look at Luis in his natural habitat.
I'm Natural Geographing it, okay? taking a little video of the scenery, the background, while he traverses into the land to get a better shot. Probably gonna lose his sight in a second. Trying to get the shrubberies on video with the, I don't know what they call them, getting attacked by gnats at the same time. Mm-hmm. But it looks pretty nice. There's probably a pack of bisons out there. Oh, where? The Braves are winning 7-5 as we speak. And I can't zoom in anymore. So that's it for Luis's Natural Geographic of Utah. All right, Luis, we're here at Buffalo Point. We're gonna go climb up this trail to the top. Let's just say maybe I got a little bit dehydrated, so we got myself some Gatorade to keep me hydrated. I nearly died.
I ran for 10 seconds.
No, I still have the pancakes inside of me from breakfast this morning. But it is what it is. I felt like I was so dehydrated. But we're gonna go walk up this point. Oh, and look at this view, guys. The view is immaculate. It's spectacular. It's magnificent. Any more big words to tell me, Luis? We got magnificent, spectacular, marvelous. What? What is this view?
Magnificent.
I already said that. Look at that. Majestic. Any more big words to say for this?
It's epic.
I need a big.
Epically natural beauty. This is God's nature. God made it.
You see it? Can you look at that kind of video? Can you look at that? Can you look at that?
Do hold it.
I copyright. It's copyright.
Especially Disney.
Huh?
Especially Disney.
It's copyright. Exactly. Okay. You see all this right here?
Is this a Lion King reference? I'm gonna keep punching your face.
I was just about to do it. Oh, never mind. I won't do it. Okay. I'm only gonna do it. All right. We're in some nice ass area. Okay. Like I said, didn't think I'd ever be here, but it's so nice. Look, it's all my land. My land. Everything's my land.
Looking ass.
I'm gonna do it again. See all the light touches? That's our land.
I'm gonna punch your face.
Everything the light touches is our kingdom.
We're about to make it to the top, I think. Oh my god. This is where everybody's at. The other side of this island. Mountain, not island. Nice.
We did it.
That's where the Mormons try to capture me.
Just like that, we are back down. We're filled with gnats. Gnats are freaking annoying me right now. But it's a beautiful sight. If you're ever in Utah, I should just come into Antelope Island. It's pretty sick over here.
Think they have trout yet? Yes.
Oh, I got a big bite. Red iguana. Red iguana. I have one. That was delicious.
That was delicious.
That was delicious. I was about to say it, but I didn't have a phone out, okay? That was delicious. Your last day, you can punch me. And your last day, you can punch me, okay? Stop. In my bed, or actually in my mattress. That's crazy. Also, happy May the 4th, because this is probably gonna come out after. Well, most likely it will come out after.
The next day.
By the way, good morning. It's our last day. We're going to the airport. I mean, not going to the airport now. We're going to get breakfast. And it's May the 4th today. So Luis wearing his Empire Strikes Back. I'm wearing my Revenge of the Sith. Can't really see it, but I wore it last year.
I'm wearing Superman.
That's wrong ass.
I'm Superman.
But this time last year, I was working at Hollywood Studios. For May the 4th. Happy Tuesday. One of the worst days ever. And now I'm going back. Now we're gonna go eat. Where are we eating?
Skillet.
Sit down. It's top notch. Top notch.
You're a hot knocker.
What? Got myself a Biscoff French toast. Luis got some food. Shout out to this place, Skillets. Was it 2 skillets or 1 skillet? I don't know, what's this place called? Skillet? Skillet? Yeah, shout out that place. That was really good. Goodbye. 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 Alright, we just made it through security. Quick and easy. TSA free check is a god tier. Alright, so we are on the way. I think our gate is 827. Is it? I don't think it changed yet.
No, it changed from C to...
It's 827, yeah. Okay, hey, so we're going that way, and then our boarding time is around 12:40. So, and in 3.5 hours back to Atlanta. We are not at our gate, but like just walking to waste time. You see that plane going by. You're gonna miss this view a lot. Back to those mountains over there. Bye, Utah. I want to mention as well that this trip has been absolutely amazing. Like I said, if Luis was never out here, I probably never been out here in Utah, but I'm glad I went because it's actually very beautiful here. There's a lot of stuff to do that's just not in the city. Outside, like we went past the mountains, we went north, we went west, east, everything. We almost did everything. And obviously Salt Flats was on my bucket list and I got to do that, so, but yeah. I'm glad I was out here and it was a great time, great trip, 10 out of 10. Also RSL won, so that was also a big thing for us, for RSL and Luis to get that W. If you guys like these videos, you know what you're supposed to do. Just like that. Like it, subscribe, notification bells, you know if I'm gonna post my videos. I'll see you guys back in 2 weeks. I'll be in Florida. See you guys next time. Peace.
Whoa! Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believe me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah. Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic gotta say, I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life, I'm about to come in.